Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tim here from Garden State Koi, and we're in Bloomingburg, New York at a project that myself and my team built back in the summer of 2021. This place is so special. Check out this beautiful house, and I cannot wait to show you the pond. So let's go take a look. As you walk up that staircase, I really love the look of this Aquascape patio pond right here. Filled with a mixture of tropical and hardy plants. It's a great addition to the pond, and on the other side when you go see it, there's a nice spillway of water. One of the things that we like to do at Garden State Koi is making the project interactive, and I really love how these stepping stones have grown in. The moss on the rocks looks super natural, like it's always been here, and kids love it because they love walking across the water, and I love it too. So now we're up on the patio area on the back side of the house, and this is one of the favorite parts for me. I really love how this blue stone here allows you to come up right to the edge of the patio and feed the fish or dangle your feet in the water. Let's go take a look at that patio pond that I was just talking about right over there, and how the water spills out of the front of that. That is a custom feature, and what we do is actually take the patio ponds that sit on your deck or driveway or front door entranceways, and we actually cut them out and make a spillway, and we mount plumbing in the bottom so water can flow up into there and flow out. It's a really neat look, a really cool addition to the side of the pond, and I love how all the plants are growing in around it. When we first put this in, it's kind of like a stark object sitting there, but once all the plants and perennials fill in, it really makes it blend right into the landscape. Another cool thing that I like is the waterfall here. I really like how it drops down. Instead of falling into the pond, it actually runs in like a stream, just like you would see in nature. And then incorporating different pieces of wood from in the forest around the house here really give you that natural element. I love how well maintained the project is. And that's because our maintenance team comes out here, I believe bi-weekly, and Roberto's been taking care of this project. Adding in different kinds of plants, like a whole bunch of different tropicals, like the cannas, the elephant ears over there, there's some more cannas, and I'm sure he even put that lotus in the middle of the pond. And by having proper maintenance on the pond, you can have a pond that looks just like this. No string algae, crystal clear water, and happy fish. Filtration goes in this project, we have two main things. The main heart right here, which is the signature 6000 biofall from Aquascape. That is one of the largest biofalls from Aquascape, and that helps keep this pond crystal clear. But you cannot forget about the skimmer 1000 on the other side, because as the water comes out of this biofall and goes across the surface, that current allows for all the leaves above to be sucked into that skimmer. Keeping the surface free of debris keeps the debris off the bottom of the pond because it cannot sink down over time. By having those two key elements in a pond, your pond, actually three, Roberto, your pond could look like this too. Another element we like to add into our water features is LED lighting, and this pond is filled with lights. It is a really great way to enjoy your pond in the evening time and nighttime. It adds a whole different element and a whole different look. It's almost like two separate ponds when you have lighting on it at night. I cannot tell you how magical it is until you experience it yourself. We need to get you in action, come on.
As long as I don't have to talk, I'm fine.
So how crazy is this? We were just about to leave and this guy shows up.
I show up.
This is Roberto, the guy that's been maintaining the pond in the maintenance department. And I just want to let you know, buddy, you're doing a fantastic job. This place looks amazing. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune in next week for another awesome project like this.